The first case of COVID-19 confirmed in the Bahamas. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jimenita Swain. Welcome to the Bahamas Tonight, the late night edition. Prime Minister the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis addressed the nation tonight, hours after it was announced that the first case of coronavirus was confirmed in the Bahamas. The Prime Minister told the televised audience what measures are being taken to counter the spread of the disease in the face of the global threat. Here's Aldaviz Munnings.
Our response must be across the board and includes all of us working together to fight COVID-19.
As government continues to monitor the country's first recorded case and global spread of the COVID-19 or coronavirus, Prime Minister the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis underscored in his national address on Sunday the virus's impact on the country's health sector, which includes the quarantine process.
Doctors Hospital on Blake Road has been secured as a facility to treat individuals who test positive for COVID-19. Those treating patients will utilize various protocols to protect themselves. This facility will be secured by our own defense force. No visitors will be allowed into the facility unless authorized. We are securing another facility for quarantine purposes. We have conducted training for healthcare providers on proper screening, use of protective equipment, and COVID-19 protocols, and secured adequate supplies of hand sanitizers, cleaning supplies, and protective equipment. There is in-country testing for COVID-19 at the National Reference Laboratory. Businesses should continue to institute measures to protect the health of workers and consumers.
The Prime Minister revealed travel restrictions starting this Thursday, March 19th. Foreign nationals and foreign individuals who have traveled from the United Kingdom, Ireland, and Europe within the last 20 days will be prohibited entry into the Bahamas. Add to that restrictions already in place for China, Iran, Italy, and South Korea.
All Bahamian nationals and residents returning to the Bahamas through any point of entry from any of the restricted countries or an area where community infection and spread is present will be quarantined or be placed under self-isolation upon arrival and are expected to follow the protocols of the Ministry of Health. Bahamian nationals or residents returning to the Bahamas who have been abroad and believe that they may have been exposed to COVID-19 are asked to contact the Ministry of Health's hotline or their local health provider. Non-essential travel by Bahamian nationals and residents and other countries is highly discouraged. Let me repeat this. If you do not need to travel overseas at this time, I highly urge you to remain here at home.
Then there's education.
Schools will be closed immediately until April 14th. Out of an abundance of caution, all national sporting events will be postponed until further notice. There is an indefinite suspension of all permits for use of public open spaces.
Prime Minister Minnis emphasized that as Prime Minister and a medical doctor, the health, safety, and well-being of the Bahamian people is his greatest priority.
If you are sick, stay home. Wash your hands regularly and stay away from large crowds and gatherings. Being prepared and being vigilant and proactive are key to decreasing the risk associated with an outbreak of this coronavirus.
Prime Minister Minnis confirmed the Ministers of Finance, Tourism and Aviation, and Transport and Local Government will address the virus's impact on their ministries in the House of Assembly this Wednesday, March 18th. Altaviz Munnings, ZNS Network News.